Hi everyone, thanks for being here. And in this video, I am showing you how to make a quick and simple burlap tassel. I have two pieces of cardboard here. You decide on how big you want your tassel to be, and then you go ahead and cut your cardboard, right? And then you take the end of the cord or twine, put at the end of the cardboard, and then you just start twisting the burlap twine around the two pieces of cardboard. Now, the more twine you twist around the cardboard is the fuller your tassel will be. I think I'm going to drop it on the ground so it keeps moving while I twist around the board. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and build it up, and then I'll show you the next step. So I'll just go ahead and I'll cut the end, the twine right there. Then I'll cut myself a piece of twine, and I'm just going to pry the two pieces of cardboard open and put my twine through. Pull it up to the top, and then I'm going to tie at the top here. So I'm securing all the twine at the top. I'm going to put it through the side, through here, pull it up, and then the other side, through here, and pull up on the other side. There we go. And then I'm going to tie a couple more times just to make sure that everything is securely in place. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my scissors, and I'm just going to cut through at the bottom here. Secure everything together. Then you can use the same size twine, or you can use a different size twine. But then the idea now is just to put this around. Then I'm going to go ahead and tie the twine in place. One more tie. And then to create that neck, we're going to go ahead and we're going to twist the twine around this area. Now you decide how wide you want to make the neck of your tassel. And just go ahead and twist around tightly. And put my finger here. And I'm going to twist the twine around my finger. And then I'm going to snip the twine here. I'm going to go ahead and push the twine through this section here and pull the twine tightly. Just going to use this needle here. There we go. And then I'm going to just stuff this bit that's left on the inside. Now you can wear a thimble when you're doing it. But there we go. We have a burlap twine. Now these you can use for accessory on your beadwork or macrame. But yeah, a quick and easy burlap twine. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.